This is Rachel. She was tired of dating wrong people, feeling lonely and wondering if she would ever meet the one. But instead of giving up, she tried something crazy. For the next 60 days, she would speak one sentence every morning and every night. And what happened next will shock you. Rachel had been through heartbreak after heartbreak. Every relationship ended the same way, wrong person, wrong time. She was done with dating apps and endless disappointment. One night, scrolling through videos, she found something about the law of attraction and affirmations. At first, she thought it was silly, but then she asked herself, what if this actually works? Rachel decided to commit for 60 days. Twice a day, she repeated affirmations like, I am attracting my perfect partner. I am worthy of a loving, lasting relationship. I radiate love and it comes back to me. And here's the catch, she didn't just say them, she felt them. She imagined the way her partner would look at her, the places they would go together, even how their wedding might feel. At first, nothing changed. Days passed, but Rachel kept going, and then something weird happened. She noticed she was smiling more, she felt more confident. Friends told her she seemed different, more radiant. On day 37, she was at her favorite bookstore when she dropped the book, and someone else bent down to pick it up at the same time. His name was Daniel. They talked for hours, and instead of ghosting or disappearing, he kept showing up. Respectful, kind, honest, he felt different. By day 60, Rachel realized her affirmations had done more than attract Daniel, they had changed her. She had become the version of herself that could recognize and accept real love. 1 year later, they got married in a small ceremony surrounded by family and friends. And today, they live happily in a cozy home, still repeating their affirmations, this time together. So, what's the lesson here? It's not just about finding a partner, it's about becoming the person who's ready for love. Your words shape your thoughts shape your reality. So, start today, repeat your affirmations for the next 60 days and see what happens. Who knows, your Daniel might be right around the corner.